Today, I'm going to be changing the wheel bearing on this 1999 Cougar. There's the bearings outer race. Alright, I've never tried this way before. Wish me luck. Let's see, let's let it go.
Oh, okay, I was trying to slow it down. But I kind of bumped it.
Nope. Alright. Old-fashioned way. Just cleaning up where that snap ring goes. Just gonna put a little bit of oil inside to help with the installation. And a little bit of oil on the bearing, help with the installation. And start it into there. I found my 2-inch socket. Alright, time to press this in. I have the old race here, which I sanded. I've got my 2-inch socket pushing the old race, pushing the new bearing into the wheel hub. Knuckle, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I think that's bottomed out because it got real tight. Let's see. And yes, I sanded enough. Otherwise it would be stuck. Yeah, there's the place for the snap ring. So this end is flush, and the back end is where the snap ring goes. I use my needle nose that I've filed the points down on. Squeeze it in. That went in way too easy. I'll use this socket to hold the back side of the bearing. Let's get a little bit of oil on this. Ease for installation. Just trying to get it all lined up. Alright, I've decided that this way is best. I've got my 2-inch socket on the bottom, my hub, wheel, knuckle, and bearing with a 1 5/8 socket on the top. Fits right on there. Line this up. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's in. That's ready to install back in the car. Last guy to have this apart put anti-seize on it so that it could come out. Came out pretty easily. And I'll do this for the next guy who has to take this apart. Could be me. Hey, it worked this time to take it apart. Probably work for next time. So here's my preferred method for greasing these ungreasable ball joints. So when you have them apart, you go between the boot and the ball joint right there, so you're not sticking any holes in anything. And then you give it some pumps of grease in there.